All right, so what's up, y'all? It's your boy jkoolii back with another video. All right, so today I went out and I test drove Alfa Romeo Quadrifoglio. It's a mouthful. A Giulia. It's 2017, 505 horsepower, and I think it's 0 to 60 in like 3.8 or something like that. But basically what I'm doing right now, like these next couple months, I'm trying to figure out which car I'm getting for the channel, new car. I'm stuck between a few cars. Price range I'm looking for is like 50 to 60K, somewhere in that range. So right now my options right now are the Camaro ZL1. Of course, some of these are gonna be used. I'm not buying a brand new car. Unless it's like 50K brand new, but like a scat pack or something like that. But yeah. So the options right now are the Grand Sport Corvette, the Camaro ZL1 1LE, a used Hellcat Charger like 2017. I want the Apple CarPlay, and the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. Aiming for a 2018 one of those because it has an Apple CarPlay. But yeah, so throughout these months, I'm probably gonna test drive all of those cars and then make this decision from there. Right now, I have a Charger. I'm looking to get out of it soon or whatever and upgrade it something a little faster. So one of those four options. Right now, so I just got done. I test drove it. You're gonna see in the video, but I test drove the Giulia. It's a 2017, like I said, 505 horsepower. I forget the torque numbers, but yeah, it's fast. The fastest car I've ever driven before that was a 392 Daytona. So comparing those two, I would say it's about the same speed, probably like a little quicker. I believe the 392 has a top speed of like 170 something, and the Alfa Romeo has a top speed of 191 and a 0 to 60 time of 3.8 compared to a scat pack like 4 point something. So it's a lot quicker and it's faster. The one I looked at, it was priced at about 52,000 used with like 25,000 miles on it. So that's an option. The next car I might test drive will probably be the Hellcat, then the two Chevy products, the ZL1 and the Grand Sport. So yeah, those are the options for the channel. You know, you give me feedback of which car you like, which one you think is the best. But honestly, I really like the Giulia. It's different. You don't see too many of it. It's a foreign, well, kind of like Italian, but still made by Chrysler Fiat. It's a Ferrari made engine, so that's cool. It's a lot of carbon fiber everywhere. It's carbon fiber all throughout the cabin, steering wheel. You can even get carbon fiber seats if you want. It's an option, but I don't know, it's kind of luxurious. I'm not used to the luxurious side of cars along with the speed. Like I think the cars that it competes with is the AMG C63 and the M2 or M3, probably both of those. Yeah, those are kind of, I don't really like Beamers. Sorry, but the C63s are cool, but kind of out of the price range that I'm looking for. But the Alfa Romeo is different. You don't really see it a lot too often, and they're fast. They set a better lap time than both of those cars at the Nürburgring. I think it said like a 7 minute 30 seconds, something like that. So that's the third fastest sedan to go on the Nürburgring. So that's what really interests me in Alfa Romeo. So yeah, number one spot right now is Alfa Romeo. Number two, I'll have to say, is the Hellcat for now. I still gotta test drive it or whatever. But it's like I got a Charger now, so it's like it's gonna get old just buying the same car over and over. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. If you got a car and you bought it twice, you understand. But the Corvette and the Camaro kind of tie. I don't like the Corvette because it's just small. I just know it's small. I wouldn't even feel safe in a Corvette, honestly, but I mean, to each his own. And it only has 2 seats, which is not a, I don't know. I could move into a coupe or whatever, but it would take some getting used to, and of course I would need a second car. Those other 3 cars, you can, I feel like they're more drivable in the wintertime, even though I kind of don't want to do that, but that might have to be an option if I sell my other car. But yeah, so leave a comment below, subscribe, follow the channel, whatever. Yeah, those are the 4 cars in the running right now. Probably gonna test drive the Hellcat pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. I'm probably gonna upload a video, just an overview of how it drove, the Alfa Romeo, how it drove, and you know, probably like a walk around or something like that. I might try to get like a driving clip. I don't know how that's gonna go with the salesman or whatever, but yeah, so stay tuned, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.